0 to 6 is an amazing time of growth and development. And if you look at a newborn who's unable to feed themselves, clothe themselves, move, talk, communicate in a formal language sense, but of course they can communicate in other ways. And 6 years later, you have a child running around who's able to make friends with their parents, independently operate, then something significant has happened in that 6 years. For example, elephants within hours can stand up. Well, human babies take a year to be able to stand up. We take about 18 years before we can effectively, with a traditional sort of stereotype, can leave home as functioning independent adults, although the 18-year-old's still a bit shaky and often keeps bouncing back till they're a bit older. So these first 6 years, this absorbent mind period, is a biological time where the brain is kind of very, very ready to take on a whole lot of stimuli, and again through the senses and through the internal processes, so that it can start to make sense of the world that it is born into. So this time is quite unique across the mammal species because we have a very long gestation period. Well, 9 months is long. Elephants have 2 years, but it's considerably longer than a lot of other mammals. And then we have a lot of dependency time of childhood. So we could call all of this plane 1 sort of like a quarter of the development, because it goes all the way plane 2, 6 to 12, plane 3, 12 to 18, plane 4, 18 to 24 before we're fully formed. So what does this absorbent mind do? It means we can pick up language. It means that we can pick up movement. We can pay attention to various aspects of the world. And sensitive periods are kind of aspects of what happens in that absorbent mind.
Yeah, we'll move into the sensitive periods in another video.